I bet you have 5 apps on your phone that you literally never use. So why are they there? I mean, that's not living lean, right? Because living lean is about focusing only on value and cutting out that waste. Believe it or not, on our phones, we have so much clutter that subconsciously distracts our minds. I mean, your phone is a tool that you use every day. So why wouldn't you want to make it lean and more valuable to you? So I'm going to give you 3 quick fixes to help you lean out your phone. The first one is to delete any apps that you haven't used in over 6 months. The second tip is to consolidate all your apps and put them into folders. That way you'll have faster reach. And then the third tip is to take all those consolidated folders and put them all on one page only. What this is gonna do for you is help you navigate your phone much quicker. It's gonna save you so much time, and you'll have exactly what you need when you need it. Plus, it's gonna take you one step closer to living lean.